Arashiyama is a district located in the western part of Kyoto, Japan, known for its scenic beauty and historical landmarks. It is situated along the banks of the Katsura River and is famous for its bamboo groves, Togetsukiyo Bridge, Tenryuji Temple, and the Arashiyama Monkey Park. Arashiyama is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, especially during the cherry blossom and autumn foliage seasons. It offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, with its serene natural surroundings and traditional Japanese atmosphere. Monkey Park is a nature park located in Arashiyama, Kyoto, Japan, where visitors can observe Japanese macaque monkeys in their natural habitat. The park is situated on a hill and requires a steep climb to reach the top, but the view from the summit is stunning. Visitors can feed and interact with the monkeys from a designated feeding area, but they are advised to follow the park's rules to ensure their safety and the well-being of the monkeys.